Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll talk about dollar index and Dow Jones, which is also US 30. So let's just see what dollar is doing at a weekly time frame. We have seen these highs at 103 area back in 2016. Then we saw the same high at 103 area in March 2020. We have these lows around 88, 89, and now overall structure looks like a downtrend at a weekly time frame. Let's just see if we have some structure coming up on a daily time frame. So this is a daily time frame where we see price is still moving towards the 80 90 areas, 89 areas, 90 areas, but we see a break of this structure. So if this is a downtrend structure, we see that some break happened at this area. So we know that price was on a downtrend area, price was on a downtrend direction, and now price starts to make a higher low structure and a higher high structure. This looks like a key area, which is also a 50% Fibonacci ratio, which I think got broke. We will see if this candle closed below or higher to see some rejection. If we see some rejection at this particular area, I would be keen in taking some long opportunities targeting 95 area. But if we see a seller strength coming up, we might have some short opportunities coming up. So if we see something like this, we can target these lows of 89. But if we see price rejecting this area and tries to go back up from the support zone, we can have some long opportunities coming up targeting 95 94 area. So this is a small update on dollar index. Let's just see what Dow Jones is doing. So let me just remove. So yeah, this was March 2020 last year, where COVID wave hit the market and market just fell sharply. So this was one structure point where price tried to go back up, it break and rejected, did a retest here and a here, and then moved up. So this was another structure area where price again moved higher, retested, and now trying to go up. This is not exactly a strong uptrend structure where we see very small candles. It seems like buyers are still taking price up, but they don't have enough strength left to move, to have enough candles or enough green candles, large candles, so that which reflects that buyers still got it. But what I see, that this is not a healthy structure where I see price is making higher lows, but if you see, this is not exactly a healthy uptrend structure. If I see a structure something like this, where I have a proper, where this is an up move, there's an up move, down move, up move, down move, where we have some certain type of a rejection, and then price starts to go up. Here we see some rejection here, some rejection here, some rejection here, but from this past area I have not seen any particular rejection. And if I have not seen a rejection, I might not be able, I'm not comfortable taking long position, especially at this particular point. I will look for another downside, maybe at this area. Maybe if we can see that this can be a structure area where price broke this, and now I will look for a retest at this area or maybe this area, and then I'll try to look for a long opportunity. This is people are expecting some correction in the stock market. And if you see, we have small candles here which do not really show if buyers are in control. See, if at 4-hour chart we can have some, yeah, so we see back-to-back rejection at this area, 34 100, 34 200 area, and I've seen inverse hammer, which is a shooting star, which also indicates that buyers strength are losing. Sellers might grab in, they might come in and then try to take price lower, maybe at this area, maybe at this area, but overall the trend looks up. So let's just see if we have this opportunity, or maybe if we have this opportunity. So overall we know that all the economies are fighting with COVID as of now. Vaccines are coming out, but we have still COVID cases going on, increasing day by day, especially in India and other parts in the country, especially in India. And other parts of the world. But we look for a healthy correction. If we have a healthy correction, I will try to look for a long opportunity, maybe at this level if I have an opportunity, or maybe at this level, but not as of now. I will request, if you guys are already long and you are into profits, I would request to just square off your positions here, get some profits, nice profits, book some profits, or just move your positions to break even, so that you will not have any losses. But if price drops, it's well and good, you can take another long positions. But if it doesn't drop, it tries to goes back up, that's your call, right? So this is a small update on dollar index and Dow Jones. I'll see you in the next video.